Welcome to Grasshopper Labs. In this video, we're going to be creating a home delivery manifest that allows for automated scheduling. What we're going to do is select our last mile tab, and then we can determine if we want to create one individual manifest or if we want to use our multi-create feature to create numerous manifests for this delivery zone across our calendar. So here, for example, if I use the multi-create, I can give my manifest a name. The building will be selected. I'm going to apply the subregion or delivery zone, and any zip codes that belong to this delivery zone will have access to these trucks via automation once the freight is received. So if I'm going to deliver on this truck every Friday, I can create my 3 manifests, and we can see that these manifests belong to this delivery zone, this subregion. So when the orders are being processed, if I was to choose an order from Atlanta East, we can now see that those resources are available on the calendar. Once the freight is received in full, it'll reference our last mile planner and begin to send out scheduling dates based on the ones that we've posted. And this is how you create an open resource using automated scheduling.